OpenAI doubled your API bill. Not by 10%. By 100. GPT 5.5 shipped at twice the per token price of the model it replaced. And when researchers measured the real-world cost, it wasn't double. It climbed up to 92% higher, because the new model talks more. You're still paying it. Every request. Because somewhere along the way, you decided you were locked in. You're not. $113 million just went to the company whose entire job is making sure you never have to be. OpenRouter. 1 API. 400 models. 8 million developers. Claude, Gemini, Mistral, Llama. Every frontier model on Earth behind a single endpoint. Here is the part that should terrify OpenAI. OpenRouter speaks fluent OpenAI. Same SDK. Same JSON. You change one base URL, and your app can suddenly reach every model from every provider. Then it routes each request to whoever is cheapest, fastest, and actually online that second. So when GPT 5.5 doubled its price, OpenRouter users did not panic. They changed one string. You swap OpenAI for Anthropic, and the bill drops. The code never moves. That is not switching providers. That is switching providers without anyone noticing. But the real plot twist is the cap table. Who funded this escape hatch? CapitalG. That is Alphabet. Google. And NVentures. That is NVIDIA. Read that again. The two companies most invested in selling you AI just wrote a check to the platform that turns AI into a commodity. Why would NVIDIA do that? Because NVIDIA does not care which model wins. Every routed request still runs on their silicon. Commoditize the models, and they sell even more GPUs. And Google? Google is losing the API war. If every model becomes interchangeable, being behind stops mattering. This is the thing nobody at OpenAI will say out loud. They are not competing with Claude. They are not competing with Gemini. They are competing with the layer that makes Claude and Gemini and GPT identical from the outside. We have seen this movie before. Databases got an ORM. Servers got Kubernetes. The cloud got Terraform. Every time one layer commoditizes the one beneath it, the moat moves up. And the new moat, the one you cannot route around, just raised $113 million. OpenAI's valuation assumes you are trapped. Your code says otherwise. If you want more dispatches from the layer war, hit the up arrow. I will see you in the next one.